That was appeared in June this year. Stage represents
what we try and do in the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight is, well, the purpose is to remember those that served and fought in the Royal Air Force and the Royal Flying Corps since 1914 until the present day. And we try and do the major air shows, so Sunderland Air Show, very much a major air show, it's an international air show, so every year we're here with the aircraft overhead and a PR team as well.
Try to every single year, every single day, because of work and all the rest of it. So, brilliant day. Even though it's raining a little bit, it's
I think it's a nice atmosphere.
It is the atmosphere, isn't it? Everybody gets together and it's just so
laid back.
monogamous.